The other thing I want to show again just before I go into my up close shots is the new Swatch Kit. If you want to see all the materials before making your choice, you can order a Swatch Kit from Flipchap, and that's how it looks. So it opens up, it starts first with the paper options that you can choose. Then we go on, you can see here the end sheet materials and the ribbons and all kinds of other materials that you can use for the box and the book. So these ones are here, the classic materials, which is the linen, and you can see the textures and the colors. There are so many different shades and so many different patterns. And here we've got the leather materials, so you can see all the colors and also the textures. So quite vivid colors and also the usual cream, black and grey colors. It's a beautiful selection. Then you've got the hot stamping options and the debossing options, the gold and silver. And then in the inside, you've got all the amazing cover materials. So you've got the 29 colors of linen and the, I think, 13 or 15 colors of leather. So that's how the Swatch Kit looks. It's very good to have if you want to use these books, especially if you have clients and want to use it for wedding albums and such, because you can always show your customers, you know, what's available.